Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to allow the microphone in WhatsApp PC. If we open the WhatsApp app on PC, we will see that when trying to use the microphone, for example, to send audios, we first need to give the permissions. To do this, in the notice that appears, we will click on Go to Settings. Here we will verify that we have active access to the microphone in general. Next, we look for the WhatsApp app, and we will activate the switch to give it microphone permission. After that, if we return to the application, we will see that we can now use the microphone normally. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. In case you have to search for the settings manually, right-click on the Start menu and then click on Settings. Next, we will click on the Privacy and Security option, then we search and click on Microphone. Here we can review the general microphone access and activate the WhatsApp switch. Once we have activated the permission, we can now use the microphone normally. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.